At last, LDF is gearing up to rule the Kochi Corporation where nobody has secured a clear majority. Muslim League rebel legislator T.K. Ashraf has informed LDF leaders that he will support LDF regime in Kochi Corporation without any conditions. In return, LDF has also promised that they are planning for the total development of Mattancherry and it aims to complete the development projects on time. Ashraf has earlier conducted discussions with left front leaders. 4 Congress rebels have won in Kochi Corporation this time. If the left is able to garner the support of at least one rebel legislator, they can rule the corporation. Ashraf has said that he will support those who can render a stable regime in Kochi Corporation on Thursday morning. The past 5 years were marred by political infighting and lack of understanding. Any assurances given by the friends will be accepted. There are 74 seats in Kochi Corporation, but nobody has secured a minimum majority. Left Front has received 34, UDF 31, and BJP has secured 5 seats. 4 rebel candidates have also won. Among them, 2 belongs to Congress and the other 2 comes from Muslim League and CPM. UDF needs the support to ensure their regime in Kochi Corporation, but for the Left Front, support of just one rebel candidate is enough to rule Kochi Corporation. J. Sunil Mohan from Panepalli and Mary Khalista Prakashan from Mundamveli are the rebel legislators from Congress camp. Muslim League's T.K. Ashraf has also won from Kalvati. In Manashiri, CPM rebel K.P. Antony has won. Both fronts are engaged in efforts to bring back the rebel legislators to their respective camps. Congress leaders Haibi Eden and Tony Chemani have held talks with rebel legislator Antony, but Haibi Eden was not ready to respond to media after the meeting. All 3 UDF rebels have told media that they will inform their stance later. Even after ensuring the loyalty of all 3 UDF rebels, they won't get the majority to rule the corporation. As sources say that KP Antony will support CPM, it can create a comfortable majority of 35 to rule the corporation. The mayor election, which is to be held after council members' oath-taking ceremony, will give a clear picture of who will rule the corporation. It is clear that UDF will also contest for the mayor post. But with Antony's 1 vote, LDF will win the mayor's post and thus a decade-long UDF rule in Kochi Corporation will witness its demise. News Desk County English.